We are returning to finish up the group part of our Think, Pair, Share from yesterday. So I am just going to quickly describe to you what you are going to do for today. Okay. So if this were, a few days from now, not me recording, both Julian and Charles would have their responses written here. Okay. So what you guys are going to do for today is the group effort part in the middle. So it's like a sandwich, okay? Julian is this piece of bread and Charles is that piece of bread, and the peanut butter and jelly is what you're going to put here in the middle now, okay? So the directions say, after you have each completed your own notes, get together and type a paragraph that analyzes your media. Be sure to answer all 3 questions in your paragraph. Type your response in this box. So your response, 1, has to be written in a paragraph format. 2, it has to answer all 3 of these questions. Is it using ethos, pathos, or logos? How do you know? Okay, explain. Well, this uses logos, and this is how I know, because it does A, B, and C. What is the claim? What are they trying to get us to believe? And how does that claim prey on our hopes and or our fears? Okay, so is it either trying to make us think positively, a better future, or negatively of a potentially terrifying future? And how does all of that work together to send a persuasive message? All right, needs to be typed in paragraph format using races. And I know if you have been at Horizon, you know what races is, because we have been standardizing it so that our teachers are all using it. Okay, restate the question, answer the question, cite evidence, explain your evidence. So what? Tell us why it's important. Okay. Now, the question you probably have now is, well, 1, how do Julian and Charles get together to do this? They're not in the same place. Well, that's where the magic of media comes in. Okay. You can set up a Zoom meeting with each other if you want. You can just call each other if you know each other. You can, use this as an opportunity to send each other a message and say, hey, do we both have FaceTime? Or a really, really simple way to do this is right here. Go to Google Classroom. Okay? Go to Google Classroom and go to media literacy. Boink, right here. See right here, this Meet link? Anybody is free to use this at any time. So Julian says, all right, meet me on Google Classroom. We'll use Google Meet at 3 o'clock today. So Julian goes at 3 o'clock and he clicks on this link. Charles is somewhere else in his home, wherever that may be, doing the same thing. Okay. And you just go ahead and you click join now. And maybe Julian has to wait for a minute. Okay. For Charles to show up. That's okay. Whatever. All right. You can also, use a link like this to invite somebody. Like if Charles doesn't show up, he can send him an email and be like, nudge, nudge, remember you're supposed to be here. Okay. So this is one way that you can actually talk face to face. And what's interesting with Meet is that the little screen down here, okay, it actually mirrors me. No, it doesn't. It does. I don't know. One of them mirrors me and one of them doesn't. And it's so weird to see like me the way I usually see myself in a mirror versus me like not the way I see myself in a mirror. So anyway, you can use Meet anytime. Okay. I am going to close Meet. You can email each other. You can, do whatever you have to do. If worse comes to worse and you cannot figure out any other way to get that person's attention, you can always post something here. I don't want you guys to use this excessively, but I do have it open because I'm crazy. I do have it open so that you can type comments. So like if you need to get a hold of your partner, you can always type, hey, Charles, let's connect on getting our assignment done. Okay. And you can post it. You click post, but I'm not going to do that right now. And then everybody can see that he's trying to get a hold of him. And if Charles doesn't respond, then he looks kind of like a goofball and you don't want that. Okay. But I know you guys can find ways to get a hold of each other And this is always an option. This meet right here. Okay? No excuses. Don't want any excuses. Yeah. So this is what you're doing tonight. Okay? Once this is all finished, we have a final step for this assignment that we will do. And I will explain that in the next tutorial on the next assignment for the next class day. Okay? This group effort part right here is due by midnight tonight, por favor. And I wish you all a lovely rest of your day.